welcome back to another cool video on Techniverse Spotted. This video is all about unboxing and an overview on MSI's GL63 9RCX laptop. Yeah, the model number of this laptop is kind of weird, but not the specs of it. Let's just keep all the things aside and let the tech begin. I'm actually using this laptop for more than a year now, and all of this footage is recorded at the time, and I am lazy enough to edit that footage now. And yeah, I have also made a video on complete review of this laptop where I have given my honest user experience and some performance tests including the benchmark tests. Do check that video out after this one. You can just click the link in description, or you can watch that video right from the I button on the top. Here is the package of the delivered laptop, and on the box we just get to see the delivery details and the description of the laptop along with the seal at the bottom and nothing else. Now let's just open up the box. Once we open up the box, we get a briefcase kind of package on which we can see the MSI branding logo on the front. The package box actually looks super premium with good texture. One of its sides says True Gaming, and again on the other side we get to see the specs of the laptop variant we have and some basic info at the bottom of the box. Once we open up the case, right on the top we get the paperwork, and then we have the really nice packed laptop within the safety pads, and we get some more paperwork and the instruction manuals in here. And on the left we have two adapter connection wires, and those were all the components we get in the box. In this cover we have two user guides which really have a lot of languages covered. And in this little pouch we get some connection screws and a metal extension plate on which we can add on our extra storage devices, just in case you want to expand your storage. And here are our two adapter connection wires, out of which one is the charging cable and another one is a 150 watt power adapter, which is a bit heavy than the usual power adapters. The overall length of the cable is about 300 centimeters. The total weight of this charging kit is about 662 grams or 0.6 kilograms. Now coming to the laptop, it is safely fixed and packed between the safety pads. And then we have the laptop in the polythene cover. Once we remove that, we have the clean cotton carrying bag to save our laptop from smudges and fingerprints while traveling. The quality is really good and is somewhat like a microfiber cloth. And yeah, in that we have our laptop. On the top of the laptop lid, we get to see the cool MSI gaming logo which actually glows when we power it on. Along with that, we have two LED like stickers on each of its sides. There is no actual LED given here. These are just stickers that kind of imitate the LED lights and give the laptop more of a gaming look. The top is matte black, which is made of plastic but actually looks well built and seems premium as well. Once we flip up the lid, we get the protection cloth to again save our screen and keyboard from smudges. We have a 15.6 Full HD or 1920 by 1080p display. This particular model has 60Hz refresh rate, but you can find laptops with higher refresh rate displays in this same series as well. It is a wide view display with 100% sRGB along with an anti-glare coating on it, which overall makes it a good display for gaming. The viewing angles and colors are great as well. We get a 720p HD webcam on the top of our screen which can produce videos at 720p and 30 fps. There are some sensors around the webcam, and the small LED light just beside the webcam throws out infrared rays at your face for login authentication. Now coming to keyboard, we have a red backlit keyboard, but if you want a full RGB backlit keyboard, you can get that too in this series which has the letter K at the end like 9SDK. This keyboard is especially designed for this MSI gaming laptop series by SteelSeries. The buttons in here are smooth and give you a clicky feel. The keyboard is not mechanical and the buttons are not that tactile but actually feel kind of premium and are clearly meant for gaming. And above the number pad, we get 3 extra buttons, and obviously one is the power button, one is to open the MSI Dragon Center software where you can configure the hardware and enhance your laptop's performance. And another button is to turn on the cooler boost mode, in which the physical fans will be turned on in extreme mode, by which you can dissipate all the heat from laptop with a single click. Just below the spacebar, we have our trackpad which is actually smooth and large enough to navigate easily and supports all the handy gestures. The trackpad has a plastic surface with 2 dedicated physical buttons just below the touchpad. I would say the buttons here are again not that great and not even tactile. However, we can use the tap input instead of those buttons. On the right side, we have an SD card slot and 2 USB 3 slots along with an exhaust vent to release the heat when you press the dedicated fan button. And just beside that, we get the charging port. On the left, we have 3.5mm gold-plated audio and microphone ports for better connectivity. And then we have USB Type-C port and another USB 3 port along with two display ports, where one of them is regular HDMI port which supports 4K at 30Hz and another one is mini display port. Then we have a RJ45 Ethernet port and another exhaust vent to release the heat. Just beside that, we have a Kensington lock to lock your laptop physically and keep it safe from getting stolen. On the front, we have three LED indicators which include the Wi-Fi status indicator, the battery status and the drive activity indicator as well. On the back, we again get some more ventilation to cool the laptop. And on the bottom, oh boy, we get a lot of ventilation with a fan on either sides. The bottom is completely made of plastic and got the rubber foot pads on all the corners, and this panel can be easily opened if you want to upgrade your RAM in the future. We have a total of 7 heat pipes with dual fan mechanism, which actually has a fabulous capability to dissipate the heat and cool your laptop completely. Just below that, we have stereo speakers, each of 3 watts, and is much better than the most of other laptops in this price range. The audio distortion is good and the audio output is loud if you are listening in a silent environment. Coming to the specs of this laptop, in this particular model, we have Intel Core i5 9th generation processor with the model as 9300H to be exact, with 8GB of RAM which can be further extended to 64GB, and the Nvidia GTX 1050 Ti of 4GB as the graphics processor. We have got a 512GB SSD storage which gives us the best boot up speeds for our PC and the install softwares as well. Here I always have my 1TB external hard disk connected to keep up the storage. This laptop weighs about 2.3 kg, which is kind of normal for a laptop. It has a 6-cell battery and the battery adapter thus becomes the heaviest part of this bundle. It is actually a 150-watt charger, and despite of being heavy, the 6 cells in here are very much essential to charge your laptop quickly and provide you a seamless experience. But not considering the charger, the laptop itself is not that heavy and carrying it along with you is not that tough. If you are looking for a best gaming experience without spending much money, then this GL63 series is a gift for all of the users like me. So yeah, that was it for this video. Do watch the user review video on this laptop where I have given my honest user experience and some performance tests from the link in the description or from the iCard. Like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Techniverse Spotted for more cool stuff.